If your crochet has a hole in the center and you don't know why it's there, this is why. Take a look at these 3 granny squares. Same yarn, same hook, same number of stitches, but completely different results. This one is fully closed, this one has a small opening, and this one has a noticeable hole right in the center. I'm Alicia of Little John Yarns, and one small choice at the beginning of your project can make a huge difference in how your crochet turns out. There's 3 common ways to start crocheting in a round. There's the magic ring. When tightened, the center closes completely with no holes. This is great for projects like hats, amigurumi, or anything where you need a clean closed center. This one starts with a chain 2 and you work back into the first chain. You still get a small opening in the middle, but it's not as bad. And this one is started by chaining 4 or 5 and joining to form a ring. You can see it still leaves a much larger opening in the center. Now, when you put them side by side, the difference is basically, it's clear. The magic ring gives you this completely closed center. The magic ring is also the one that people struggle with the most, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's hop into it. We're going to be using these 2 fingers to create the magic circle. All right, now take your yarn. The tail should be closest to you. Put your 2 fingers out like this. The tail is closest to you. We're going to wrap it around our fingers and wrap it underneath. And on the way back up, we're going to form an X. You see where it crosses? We're going to be inserting our hook under this first X right here that's furthest away from us. Now I'm just going to rotate my hook over and pick up this loop. And chain 1 since we'll be working single crochets into the round. Alright, you don't have to take your fingers out easy. This is already stuck into the magic circle. And there you go. You have your magic circle and you can just pop in your single crochets as you like and adjust and pull. Let me show you one more time. 2 fingers out. The tail is closest to yourself. Wrap it around. We're going to form an X. We're working over here. We're going to pick up, go underneath this strand. Now, turn your hook over and hook this yarn. Pull up. Now, we're just going to chain 1. If you are doing double crochet, you can chain 2 or 3 or whatever you need to do, whatever the recommended pattern chain for the turns. Alright, so now you just continue to put single crochets into this. I'm going to fast forward and put 10 single crochets in. What I love about the magic circle, if you have a lot of stitches to put in that very first round, you have more than enough room to work around with. You won't feel like you're squeezing everything into a tight chain 2 or a chain 5. So here we go. We just tighten this off. All right, let me show you one more tip to ensure this doesn't loosen back up when your crochet's all done. To ensure this stays closed, you'll still want to take a needle and go back through your work so you know it won't loosen up later. Just like that, and just keep going around and weaving in your work and it won't come undone. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and check out my other crochet tips and tutorials. I'll see you all on the very next video. Bye guys.